Yes, welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Robert from Rob's Tech Guide. So today I'm gonna show you how you can solve the problem of the camera. So you try to open your camera and it shows something like black screen. So it's what I'm gonna show you how you can solve that. So this problem is common in Nokia cameras, Samsung cameras, and the cameras of Google Pixel. So those brands they commonly use what they call camera go or camera for Google. So it is also in the Play Store. Let's do like this. Yes, so let's begin the tutorial. So we shall start by opening our camera. Let me assume that you have this problem. So we are opening the camera. You are seeing the black screen I was talking of. I hope you are seeing this black screen. So now you can't see something that you are taking photo. So let us see how we can solve this problem. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna come and close this camera by clicking here or here, closing it like this. So come over here to settings. Yes, settings. Then yes, then settings. Then come to what we call privacy, where you are seeing permission, account, activity, and personal data. So we open there, then come to what we call camera access for all apps and services. So you turn this on. Then from there, you would have solved your problem of the black screen of the camera. So let's come and click the camera again. Where is the camera? Let's come and click the camera again. So it's here. So I hope you are seeing that now the camera is working. So in brief, that's how you can solve that problem of the black screen. Mainly, it is common in the cameras for Samsung and that one of Google Pixel and in the Nokia phones. So thank you, and God bless you.